10 seconds.
Head up. Short time. Nothing. Hey, good job. Keep that sit out. Keep moving, don't stop. Let us go to work, kid. Good weight on his hand.
Forward pressure.
Stop. Follow. Circle. Good. Snap. Look there. He's there right there. Your right side. Up. Two hands.
Keep him in front.
Keep down here.
Face him. Adjust.
Back down. Head up.
Right arm through. Crack down. Right arm over. Left arm through. Left arm around the waist.
Left hand over the waist.
Crack down. Face him.
Next move. Toe pose. Next move. Build up to your base. Good. Hit it. Nice. Go top. Hold.
Your legs out. Tee off with your legs out. Keep the leg. Keep the hands forward.
Chop. Good.
Arm bars.
Chop. Small one. Chop. Leg. Follow. Chop. Hips up.
Your legs out.
Good. Chop.
Very good. Good stance.
Stay low. Look for it again. Circle.
Tie your shoe. Hey,
Hey, double knot your shoes. Hey. Hey, look for that shot again. Stay low. It's there. Touch and go. It's there.
Hey, short time. 15 seconds.
Snap. Stay in front of him. He's coming. Stay in front of him. Snap. Get your wrist back. Snap. Oh!
Hey, Mario, good job.
Let's go, Mario.
Mario's right. Hey.
Don't stop wrestling. One move after another. Let's go. Up. Good seal. Face him. Cut. Good. Again. Hand fight. Fight the head. Up. Seal. Go. Turn it up. Yep.
Crack down.
Two hands, Mario. Put your hand into your bicep.
Watch the cradle. Pop the leg. Fight the leg.
Fight the head. Hey, up. Get one. Fight the hands down there. Build up. You're up now. You're up. Your right side. Let's go. Bud. Head up. Fight the hands down there.
Come on, Mario.
Fight the hands. Watch the half. Look away.
Look away. Get back to your belly.
Don't go. Slow it down. Pop the top. Pop the top.
20 seconds and go.
Get the fingers and build up. Fight the fingers and build up.